Today's video is my third piece, which is my Burda pencil skirt with a split in the front. It is from August 2019, the magazine, which is one of my favorites, and I must admit, I usually buy the August edition of the Burda because it always has some gems. It's right between summer, before before fall, and the pieces in here are just lovely, as well as I think 2016 was great, 18, 19, 2020, all of it. I don't remember what was in 2017, but it was good, I know. Let's get into the gist. So the pattern pieces, there are 4 pattern pieces, the front, the back, and you need the facing for the front and the back. The amount of fabrics from size 30, this one goes from size 36 up to 44, and it is 95 centimeters of fabric with 140 width. You need, in terms of notions, you just need some interfacing as well as a zipper. They're saying 22 centimeters long. Steps to success, only 11. Only 11. I think I sewed this skirt up in 2 evenings, maybe. Yeah, because this was fairly easy. Let me show you, because I'm not doing the part of the fit. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, it's too hot for that mess. Honestly, I think I have to stand on the stool so I could show you guys the length. So let's see. Okay, yeah. So this is the length. It has a split. So unfeminine, but okay. So it has a split in the front. As you can see, like this. Yeah, this is better. A split in the front. It's right below the knee. It has 6 darts, so 6 darts in the front and 8 darts, and 2 darts in the back, and the zipper is right there. I didn't use white threads. You can see this in the thread. I didn't use white thread. That's just jeans. That's how jeans works. I am so proud of me. I have finished all of my spring summer fashion pieces, so I can just show you guys everything. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and you have a great day. Bye.